you're wondering if you can make money online doing nothing in the Cash App, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So you can get $75 for free with this method I'm going to show you. It's called CashApp++. It's a modded app. Go to privacy and security and make sure your cash tag is turned on. This is the big deal here. If this is off, it won't work. So once you've done that, guys, you're all set. Now, this is going to work on iPhone and Android. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. It's super crazy. And basically, guys, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using this app to get referral codes that are worth the amount of money, so $75 worth, and it's going to load that money into our Cash App account. It's completely real. You can send it to your bank, do whatever you want. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. As you can see at the moment, I got $0. So now I'm going to open up the Cash App Plus and show you guys exactly how this thing works. So let me just go ahead and do that right here. So you can see I got both of them on my device. It runs at the same time. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Cash App Plus. You can see it says Cash App generate money with referral codes. So all we have to do is go ahead and put in our cash tag. You can read about how the site is entirely free and everything, and how it's totally secure. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my cash tag. You need to know now that that's why we wanted it turned on. So after you put it in, guys, you just go ahead and press proceed. So let me just type it in right here. This is by far the best app I've ever found. So I'm going to go ahead and press proceed now, and we'll give it a minute for this to go ahead and load. And it says select amount of cash you want. So you can go up to $100, but I'm going to show you 75. So as we can see, we got 25, 50, and then 75 and 100 options as well. So let's do 75 for now, and I'm going to go ahead and press on generate. So let me just do that right here, and now it's going to load. So it says connecting your account, fetching data. All right, we'll give it a minute. Generating referral codes worth $75. Great. There, it's done. Successfully generated. Awesome. Redeeming. Okay, we'll give it a minute, and let's check it out if it works. Successfully redeemed. Cool. And let's see, alrighty, and it says cash out successful, check your balance. So let's go ahead and open up our Cash App now and see if the money is there. So I'm going to go ahead and go over the normal Cash App, guys, and let's see what's going on. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and as you can see, I'm still at $0, but let's see if this changes at all. So I'm going to let it load, and this is going to be the moment of truth, guys. This is going to pour up. Let's check it out. Boom, boom. There you go, guys. It's working. So this is super crazy, guys, and I can't even believe it actually works, but it does. So let's give it a minute for this thing to cap out, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this onto your device totally for free. So 60, 70. Oh my gosh, guys, this is awesome. So let's get right into the guide now, and I'm going to show you how to download it. So I'm going to go ahead and delete the Cash App Plus just so I can show you guys how to download it onto your device from the beginning. So let me just go ahead and do that. I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of it. So what you want to do, guys, is go to this site. So the website where we can download this is super cool. It's called tweakmod.com. This is the only website where you can right now download Cash App Plus. So as you can see, we have a bunch of other apps on here as well, but I'm going to go to the search bar and put in Cash App. So once it comes up, guys, you just want to go ahead and press install, and then wait until the bar reaches the end, and we should get a prompt to install profile onto our device. Now, as long as you have a decent connection, this shouldn't take long. The website's pretty good with the download speed and everything. So let's give it a minute, and you can see right now 75. All right, so let's give it a second for this to download. It's pretty good for me. I've had nothing but good experiences with this website and this app. So let's give it a second for it to finish. All right, I'm just letting it load. Here we go. All right, we'll just give it a second. All right, so the bar's at the end now, so we should get the circle going around and around in the prompt. So let's just give it a minute for that to start happening. Any second now, guys, it should start up. So let's see if it works. All right, there goes the circle, and then we should get the prompt. So let's see. And as you guys can see, it should pop up. All right, moment of truth, guys. Is it going to work? It says, do you want to allow this? So just go ahead and press allow, and then we want to press close. And now we're just going to go over to settings. So once you're in settings, you want to go ahead and find the profile downloaded message at the top. Go ahead, press on that, and then all you have to do is go ahead and press install. After you press install, you just want to go ahead and press where it says next. So let me just do that right here, and then you just want to press install again, and there's going to be a final one in red. So you want to press on that, and then just press done, go to your home screen, and you've got it. So it's literally that easy to get into your device, guys. Super crazy. Can't even believe it actually works, but it does. I mean, this is insane, so definitely try it out today. Get the word out. It's super awesome. I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.